Hello everyone. We are a professional international trading and exporter of remanufactured construction, machinery and equipment, focusing on long-term performance and field reliability. From complete disassembly to final inspection, each piece of equipment undergoes a standardized refurbishment process. Worn parts are replaced, core systems are rebuilt, and all functions are tested under real-world operating conditions. Our goal is to offer equipment that combines the performance of refurbished equipment with the cost-effectiveness of used equipment, helping customers reduce investment costs without sacrificing reliability. Contact me for more information. Thank you.